The next housemate to be evicted from the Big Brother Naija lockdown house is Brighto.
Wow! What? That was a surprise. What? Yes.
Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. So guys, today was Eviction Sunday. Tolanibaj, Wathoni Brighto were evicted from Big Brother Naija house. Sunday live eviction show saw 3 housemates, Tolanibaj, Wathoni and Brighto, leave the Big Brother Naija house. Their exits were unexpected as many did not see Brighto, one of this season's favorite housemates, leave the show. Biggie introduced a shocking twist when the show host Ebuka Obilchendu revealed that all the housemates Tolanibaj, Chikiti, Kidwaya, Brighto, Prince, Erica, Lucy, Neo, Wathoni, Dorothy, V and Lekon were all up for possible eviction. While they were waiting to get called into the diary room to nominate those who would go home, Ebuka announced that the public vote will determine the fate of the housemates. According to him, Tolanibaj, Wathoni and Brighto fell into the bottom 3 and they were evicted accordingly. So guys, it was a very big shock to everyone when Ebuka announced that 3 housemates will be leaving the show, and surprisingly Brighto was among the housemates that were evicted today. So guys, what do you think about today's eviction? And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.